Hello and welcome everyone to another update here on this channel about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Quant and also ADA, since I'm in my huge Cardano long position, which is right now approximately $50,000 in a profit. I will give you all the updates about that long position. I will tell you all of my price targets and what I'm going to do with this long position right now. And yeah, enjoy this video. And we're starting here straight on the 88 15 minutes time frame. And as you can see, we again reached target area perfectly. I provided all of my Telegram partners, of course, in real time down there with my expectation. We should definitely not go below the 34.1 US dollar cent. And we didn't. We held support. And that's why I'm, of course, still in my long position. That's why I didn't change my targets at all. And that's why my long position is right now around about 50,000 US dollars in a profit. And as you can see, we had 3 1-2 setups in a row, which means that this blue 1-2 setup will now be complete, but then it only finishes off this red wave 3 of this second 1-2 setup. And if we are zooming out further, there should be another wave 4 and 5, which ends this yellow wave 3. And of course, since this is expected to be a 5-wave move, there should be another wave 4 and 5 in yellow, to reach around about the 60 US dollar cents. That's why I'm, of course, still in my long position, and I'm not planning to close it in the next immediate short term. So let's now have a look at the Ethereum chart as well. And as you can see, we also followed expectations absolutely perfect. We bounced off my target area, which I provided you already in my earlier videos. And yeah, I think that's the start of the red wave 3 here, as you can see, or yeah, as I've been following here on the last few days and weeks already on this channel. If you don't want to miss out on that in the future, don't forget to leave the subscription down below the video, activate the small little bell so you will never miss out on this content again. And my next imminent price targets here for Ethereum are the yellow wave 3 target, which is around about the 2,400 US dollar region. And if we're zooming out further on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that I still follow my expectations that we should reach the 3,000 US dollar region in the next few weeks or months, in my opinion. And yeah, I've been following this wave count actually already since last year in autumn, when I told you this, in my opinion, is a wave 1 towards the upside, a perfect 5-wave impulse. We should come down in a 3-wave corrective move in this wave 2 target area and then pump higher towards the 3,000 US dollars. And since now we perfectly followed the expectation, we got a wave 1 towards the upside of this third wave, got a wave 2. Now we also saw a second 1-2 setup of this wave 3. So yeah, I think we are following here the expectations absolutely perfect. In my opinion, the target area of this fifth wave, right around about the 3,000 US dollars, could be a nice opportunity to take some profits, to take some chips off the table. But as you can see, there should still be a 4th and 5th wave afterwards, which can maybe lead to higher highs. I will of course calculate all the targets when we are up there. I will keep you updated about everything. You can just follow this channel and I will update you every day about my actual targets for Ethereum, Bitcoin, Quant and also ADA, since I'm in my ADA long position. Let's now have a look at the Bitcoin chart as well. There you can also see my target area worked out absolutely perfect. I've been following this wave count as well for the last few weeks and months on this channel for you. And yeah, this 5-wave impulse towards the upside worked out up there. I told you we should come down here in a 3-wave move, which we did. We landed perfectly in my target area. And from there, I've been following these 2-1-2 setups as well. And in yesterday's video, or even the day before yesterday, I provided you with the option that we should come down in this target area, which we hit perfectly, and bounce from there in a red wave 3 of the yellow wave 3, which we are perfectly doing. So I'm still expecting price targets around about the 36,000 US dollars. And this is looking very nicely, in my opinion, to really follow that expectation through. Let's now, last but not least, have a look at the Quant chart as well. And there you can see I also follow my primary expectation since the first analysis about Quant. And this is now a very interesting opinion. It doesn't necessarily need to play out. I can also reason you why I'm thinking that. My opinion is that this was a first wave towards the upside and we are now in a second wave. And we saw an A, B, and we are now in a C wave. And the minimum requirements of a C wave is to go below the low of the A wave, which is at 95 US dollars. So that's why I'm expecting this region to be hit before we can move towards the upside. And also we got only a corrective move here which I don't consider as a nice bottom here for the next rally. So yeah, I still expect lower price targets for QNT. And if we are not getting them, if we are getting a straight breakout, I will not take the trade, because the risk is still there that is an A wave, that is just an extended B wave, and we get a C wave afterwards in this target area finally, and then move towards the upside. Yeah, so this is still possible, and that's why I'm not shorting and not longing QNT right now. But if we come into this target area, this would be, in my opinion, a perfect or a very nice entry opportunity, which I will of course take if we are coming to those targets. Yeah? If you like this information, if you enjoyed this video, smash up the like button, leave your thoughts down below in the comment section. That helps me pushing the YouTube algorithm and extend my content out to the world. Thank you very much for your support, and I hope we will see each other in the next video here on this channel. Ciao, ciao.